Welcome back to the channel. In today's episode, we're taking a trip back to one of the biggest viral moments of the 2010s. Damn, Daniel. You probably remember the clip. A high school kid rocking white Vans while his friend hyped him up with the now iconic phrase, "Damn, Daniel." But after the fame faded, Daniel disappeared from the spotlight. So, where is he now? Let's find out. It all started in 2016 when Joshua Holes, a student at Riverside Polytechnic High School, began filming short Snapchat clips of his friend Daniel Lara. The videos showed Daniel confidently strutting in stylish outfits, especially those famous white Vans. The phrase, "Damn, Daniel," became an instant internet phenomenon, spreading across Vine, YouTube, and Twitter. The viral fame brought major opportunities, including a guest appearance on The Ellen DeGeneres Show, where the pair received lifetime supplies of Vans shoes. Daniel became a teenage internet celebrity overnight, known everywhere for his laid-back charm and signature smile. After the initial rush of fame, Daniel decided to step away from the spotlight. He turned down modeling and entertainment offers, choosing instead to live a normal life. He focused on school and personal growth, avoiding the burnout that often comes with sudden viral attention. Joshua Holes, his friend and videographer, also returned to his studies. The two remained friends, occasionally popping up on social media to thank fans for their support, but neither pursued a full-time career in entertainment. Where is Daniel Lara now? He is currently a trilingual artist and businessman based in Los Angeles, California, where he works in music. After the video went viral in 2016, Lara and his friend Josh Holes appeared on The Ellen DeGeneres Show, and Lara received a lifetime supply of Vans shoes, many of which he donated to a children's hospital. He and Holes also made a cameo in a Weezer music video and an LG commercial. Following this initial burst of fame, Lara generally kept a low profile and his personal life under wraps to finish high school and avoid the darker aspects of internet fame, such as swatting incidents experienced by his friend Josh. In more recent years, he has re-emerged as a musical artist, using the moniker Damn Daniel for his work, and running a freestyle competition on live streaming platforms. His website mentions upcoming projects like Copa Mariachi and Fuego, indicating a continued focus on his music career. Damn, Daniel might have been just a short viral moment, but it defined an era of internet culture. From laughter to lasting memories, Daniel and Josh reminded the world how something so simple could bring people together. Thanks for watching the channel. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more updates on where they are now.